It's our good luck charm. Luck for anything that counts. Everybody has one, though it's symbolism we'll never denounce. For we're busy living fast, no time for any doubts. Chasing after the preem dream, where breaks last no more than a 16 ounce. So cheers. Cheers to the hard-working swarm. Cheers to the advancing nation. Cheers to every newborn. Cheers to the father of all creation. Cheers to those in uniform. Cheers to those fueling our imagination. But who would imagine a myth so cherished, so highly adored, meant our truth perished, if truth be told. One afternoon, the president appeared on our screens, hesitant for the news he disclosed. Could never have been foreseen. Everyone cheered. The applause ceased. He explained that recent research by phylogeneticist Dr. Kays had deduced that knowledge concerning our ancestors' behavior had been imprecise. Ostriches have never buried their head when in fear, nor in moments of joy, sadness, or if a predator might appear. Why we believe this is our instinct, we still have no clue. Yet we've come to place our heads anywhere they'd fit into. As your leader, I have come to you uncovered. I'm hereby dismantling this uncalled for behavior upon myself and those I govern. Instantly flyers were handed out, signs were put to use. No ostrich was allowed to cover its head, no matter the excuse. They looked around in hopes of being reassured, got a clear reflection of how much they're deeply confused. That day everybody left and none came back. An overflow of doubt became a burden on their back. Some drank to forget, others went on to crack. The white had the same essence of the pitch black. That's when I was called into the office. Sat across from the president, politicians, scientists, and a couple of lawyers. They expressed to me how much they appreciated my studies. But Dr. Smith here has just found some contradictory discoveries. Apparently, leaving your head in open space harms auditory perception, and exposing our heads to sunlight might cause erectile dysfunction, harming our system of reproduction, not to mention retina malfunction, failure of neuromuscular junction, atrial fibrillation, and avian infection. Out of all the assumptions, that was just the introduction. He went on naming diseases found among species, like Homo sapiens and dolphins. But I understood. They wanted to bury my discoveries at any cost. Nothing personal. They just couldn't deal with any more chaos. A vote to cancel the previous law went around the table. Those who agreed buried their heads. Mine remained stable. After the meeting, everybody heard the good news. I found myself wandering among the celebrating hues. I wondered how we used to own the skies above us, for we're the biggest birds on earth, till we believed angels are more worthy, a lesson we're taught since birth. I wondered of all the fallen feathers, and how the heavens must be filled with poets, gazing at the tree of knowledge, with rotten apples below it. I wondered how come they never picked up the truth, and upon us bestow it. Or is it already within us, but we're terrified to show it, so we wander around bleak, with the spark of our soul lit. If poetry lies its way to the truth, we've been lied to, and you know it.